Hello once again to everyone on YouTube and the DT fan forums. As you can see, I got another fan for my collection. This here is like a late 1978 Lakewood S-223 second generation box fan. Some of y'all well know, I won this off of eBay. And this is also my first eBay win, so hooray. Also, as some of you well know, I used to have two second-gen K223s. The one from 1980, which you saw in my last video, and another one from 1982. Well, as a lot of y'all know, I gave the one from 1982 to YouTube user Flippy365, or Carey S on the DT fan forums. And because I wanted to get something, another second generation other than a K223. Originally, I thought of getting a P223 from Carey K. Yeah, but if I did, he would have given me another one. But then I saw that these were popping up on eBay, and thought I'd go for one of these, and I went for this one because it also had a rollabout stand that went with it. Well, I have the stand, but I have it on another one of my Lakewoods, which I'll show to you in my next video. Well, this is it. The paint, for the most part, is in good condition, but there is a major scratch on one side from the stand that it was on, which I'll show you in just a bit. This fan here is from like late 1978, as I mentioned. On the bottom of the motor, there's a date code of K78, which I assume stands for October of 1978. I don't know how the date codes really work completely. But also an interesting fact is that even on these models, I just found out that even on these, the later part of 78 was when the sparkly badges came out. Yet I've known some time that they were already out on the K223s because of seeing Spats Bear's 1978 K223 on YouTube. Let me show you, give you a view of the fan, and then we'll fire up. There's the scratch in the paint from the stand. Both sides of the cabinet near the stand holes are kind of bounced out, as you can see. It's got this cream beige paint job, which in some forms of light looks kind of peach colored. Kind of looks kind of gold or yellowish in kind of dim light. Nice color. View the back. There's the motor. Macmillan motor, of course. it back around. Give you a view of the top. And there's the sparkly sticker. You know, this is the regular Lakewood version. Just kind of brownish orange or copper, whatever you may consider it. It's got the speeds kind of in a half circle, unlike the blue Kmart version, which has them all lined up. I also went for this because of that, so I'd have both versions of the sparkle stickers. Anyway. Now for an operation. Loco Og 91's words. Here's high. There's medium. Sun. And low. Kind of starts off pretty low at first, but then it kind of speeds up to, I guess, kind of a fast low. Anyway, back to high. And off. It's got real good coast down time. Yeah, probably a little longer than it should, because it seems one of the blades might be out of balance. Does seem to vibrate sometimes. Yep, I think one of the blades might be just a bit out of balance. As you saw it turn backwards a bit. I'll give you the startup sound. It's just like that on my 1980 K223. Here's the startup sound. And that's my late 1978 Lakewood S-223 box fan. Thanks for watching, everybody, and good day to all.